breakfast. I am making some granola muesli stuff. Some nuts, blueberries, oats, milk chocolate.
Cool. Well, today we do have a gorgeous day.
It's very nice. Little
Nice sun. Might jump, take a bath.
Well, this morning we had a slow morning. We relaxed, cleaned up, took some baths, dried out our stuff, then got on the water kind of late. But now we're paddling into a southeast wind. It's a headwind. It's a short paddle, but it's making it a bit difficult. We took some cover behind these islands, and then soon we'll be coming into town. So hopefully in the next half hour, 40 minutes, we'll be there. And when we get into town, we'll be entering into the Shannon again and leaving Loch 3 behind. We ended up doing Loch 3 in about a day and 2 hours. We could have finished up yesterday, but we were both pretty tired and wanted a relaxing evening. So just finishing the last few kilometers this morning, and then we'll be on the Shannon again.
Goodbye.
How did we get around that?
I have no idea. Back to an island. But this time on the Shannon. Hey,
What's going on?
I said that we were back in the island, but this time on the Shannon.
Yeah. What island are we on?
I have no idea, no name on this one.
Okay. Well, we had a kind of an eventful afternoon. After we left the island this morning, we paddled for a couple hours and we hit a good headwind coming out of the southeast. And then probably 20 minutes just before we got to the river, or as we entered the river, we had a huge storm come in and just blow right in. Started raining, wind was blowing to we couldn't even paddle. We were at a standstill paddling with all our might. Took us probably 30 minutes to go 150 meters. It was a bit epic. And then right as we made cover, it all stopped. Sun came out, there's butterflies. Carol was taking photos of butterflies. I decided to sit back. I had an apple and just relax a moment. Then we went into town, did a little fishing because we got caught into another rainstorm just before the town. A small one, so we fished under a bridge for a little while. I played with the GoPro. Went into town. The boat club there, the rowing club, was really nice with us, and they let us keep our boat, our canoe, at the boat club while we went downtown for about 2 hours. Charged some batteries, seen the castle, seen the church, and then went back, got the canoe, and unfortunately we had a little episode. I lost my hat. I went to put on my sweater, had it sitting on my canoe next to the bank, and a huge gust of wind come by and blew it into the middle of the river. The canoe is full of our gear. I couldn't lift it by myself. It was on the bank, and we're in the middle of town, and Carol walks up just as I seen my hat sink below the surface. We went and looked, we couldn't find it. And then as we were leaving, we couldn't find Carol's hat, so we don't know where it went. If we left it somewhere between the castle and coming back to the canoe, we can't find it. Could be in her pocket, we don't know. Haven't looked there yet. Anyways, we paddled for a couple hours, between about 6 and 8. Got back on the river, had to do a portage around the locks in the town. What's the name of the town again, Carol?
Athlon.
Athlon. Pretty little town. We had to portage around the lock, come down about almost 2 hours. It's 8 o'clock now, so almost 2 hours to find a spot. We're on a little island. It's been pastured off, nice and calm. There's a bit of a west wind, so we're tucked up behind the trees here, making some dinner. It's probably close to 9 now, so we're gonna eat and we're gonna go to bed. What do you think?
Sounds like a good plan.
See you tomorrow.